Welcome to Learning Brand. In this tutorial, we will explain why using Candlestick is important. Candlestick is a way for traders, but not only traders, also investors. So basically, everyone needs to understand how to read a chart. And this will help both investors who are investing in a stock for many years and also help traders who are trading based on charts. So Japanese candlesticks can help everyone understand the trend of current market. So if you are an investor or if you're a trader, you usually don't want to buy a stock in long term when the trend is down. So if you're investing at, for example, let's say Apple, but the general trend is going down. Why will you want to buy when the general trend is going down? You want to wait for a place or a price where the down price or the falling price will stop and reverse and go up instead. And that is where you want to start buying. So it's not about finding where it will reverse, but it's all about going into the stock market in the right pattern, in the right direction. You want to go and buy stock when the direction is up, not down, because that's when you're going to lose money. So with the help of Japanese candlestick, we can read the market. It helps us to understand the psychology in the market in the current market. We can read human behavior. We can understand what the behavior in the market is right now. And we can understand what the big boys in the market are doing. If the direction is up with high volume, then we can understand that the big guys with big money are buying. And when they are buying, we want to buy. But if the direction is down and the Japanese candlestick is not looking good and the market volume is high because everyone is selling, then the big guys are selling. And we don't want to buy when the big guys are selling, do we? So with the help of candlestick, we can find reversal pattern, we can find exit pattern, we can find enter pattern, we can find if we are making money, we can understand when we want to sell, when we see an exit pattern. We also can use the Japanese candlestick to understand when we're gonna buy for trading or investing, enter patterns. So this is a really good factor to use both for investors and traders to help us understand the psychology behind the market in the current market. With the help of Japanese candlestick, we can also combine it with other technical tools to get a better predictive power. So using Japanese candlestick is one way to have a good predictive power. But we can also use it with other technical tools to increase our likelihood for being right. So using candlestick is not all about it will always go in this direction because the candlesticks say it will go in this direction. It's all about the predictive power. The candlestick is predicting that it will go up and down, but that doesn't mean it will go up and down. It can go the reversal direction. But the predictive power is the one we are looking for because with the help of predictive power, we will most likely have more right than wrong. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you the next. Bye.